To show you the ingredients that you'll need to make your super roast beef sandwich. First, we have some thinly sliced roast beef. In this case, it's London broil, and you can see that it's a little on the rare side. Next, we have thinly sliced provolone. We also have some thick sliced center cut bacon. Over here, we have a Roma tomato. Then we have cremini mushrooms, which will be cooked in butter and soy sauce. I have a red onion. I chose red for the color, also because it's a little sweeter than yellow onions. The onions will be caramelized with salt, pepper, and oregano. Then we have the ingredients for our spread. That's 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half a cup of barbecue sauce, and a third of a cup of pickle relish. This is some nice spring lettuce, which has 4 or 5 different kinds of leaves, a lot of different tastes, a little bit of crunch. And then, of course, we have our lovely crusty loaf of bread. And those are the ingredients that we need for our super sandwich.